Thank you.
As you will learn in the coming months, we are very passionate about our sports. We love football. And despite being a third world nation, we're also very hard to please. So what is your message to the Jamaican football fans?
Yeah, we continue the dream. And they're part of the dream. They're the main part. And, you know, I've had it the last 2 years. Ups and downs, success, failure. That's football. That is Jamaican football. That is all football. And it's only in the bad times. It's only in the... when you fail, when you may lose a game or draw a game you're not expected, or somebody didn't do this, somebody... They're the times that you must stick together. And it's not just about a federation. It's not just about the coaching staff. It's not just about the bunch of players. It's about the supporters. It's about this island. It's about everybody who's Jamaican. It's the heritage even abroad. They've got to be proud of their country. You know, I represented, assistant and managed England. I know what that's like. I know it. The intensity and the scrutiny. And that's what you expect. That's right. But amongst it all, we must stick together. And there will be ups and downs. And there'll be times when we're going, what is the coach doing? Why is he picking him? What is he doing that for? Why did he change him? Why did he do that? And that's football. And that will be for the next 18 months. So, you know, I always say, it's a roller coaster. So we're getting on the roller coaster ride. And it's not all downhill and thrills. There's also going to be bad times. But the supporters, the players, the staff, the federation, aligned, all together, you come through. And you come through stronger. I've seen that happen. I've followed Jamaica over the last 3 years. I've seen it happen. And the strength of any federation, of any team, is in the bad times. We stick together. So I ask the supporters to do that.